Hi, I wanted to show you how to solder the bicolor LED panel. The idea of this board is to have 4 bicolor LEDs. A bicolor LED contains inside 2 LED, a red and a green. We have 5 resistor, 4 bicolor LED, and 1 male header. The first thing to remember is that the 200 ohm resistor will be inserted in the R global 100 location here. And the other 4 2K blue resistor will go here, 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 and there. Then we're going to insert the LED. To insert the bicolor LED, you have to be careful. When you look at a bicolor LED, we have 3 leads. The one in the middle is the one that goes to ground, and the other 2 are the lead for the green and the red internal LED. One lead is the shortest one, and on the board we have written shorter. Find the shorter lead and insert the bicolor LED this way. Then at the end, we will insert the male header this way.